I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select ActiveCampaign. Give here the API URL and API key. So go to the ActiveCampaign site and go to Settings and Developer. Under the Developer you can show here API URL and API key. Copy the API URL and API key and paste it into the integration. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a list and select tags. Map the respective fields. Under the action, you can update the ActiveCampaign by checking it. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next, finish and save it. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. So go to the ActiveCampaign site and refresh the page. And you can see the data came successfully in the ActiveCampaign. Thanks for watching.